Hey guys, it's us again. So we're heading to Erbach, a city in the Baden-Württemberg area. Show you some nice parts of the city. Let's explore this region a little bit.
Welcome to Erbach, this town in the heart of the Odenwald, first mentioned in the year 1095. Erbach has more than 900 years of recorded history and is home to around 14,000 people today. The town is famous throughout Germany as the Ivory Town, thanks to its remarkable tradition of ivory carving. Here we are approaching one of my favorite coffee shops / restaurants. It's called Botal. And as you can see, it's also linked with their Instagram account and Facebook account. I can highly recommend this for coffee, breakfast, and the special thing they offer is to just taste some wine. Highly recommend them. As we pass those beautiful old houses, we're walking through a town that was once the residence of the Counts of Erbach. The noble Erbach family ruled this region for centuries, helping to shape the town's history from the Middle Ages until the early 19th century. Erbach is built along the river Mümling, the central river of the Odenwald. Interestingly, this town also takes its names from the nearby Erbach, a small stream that appears underground through limestone before reappearing just before it flows into the Mümling, a rare natural phenomenon that gave Erbach its name. The impressive Erbach Castle we are walking towards has stood here since the Middle Ages. The first water castle was built around the 12th century on an island in the Mümling, and over the centuries it was expanded into the elegant residence you see today. of Erbach ruled from here for hundreds of years, making the castle both the political and cultural center of this region. One of the most fascinating chapters in Erbach's history began in 1783. Franz I returned from his travels across Europe, inspired by the beautiful ivory carvings he had seen. He introduced this art of ivory carving to Erbach, creating a new profession that brought prosperity to this town. For more than 2 centuries, Erbach became Europe's most famous center for ivory craftsmanship. Today, the German Ivory Museum, which we just passed inside the castle, continues this tradition. Although modern artists now use more sustainable materials such as mammoth ivory bone and tangwa nut instead of ivory from elephants. The old town is full of half-timbered houses, quiet alleyways and historical, beautiful buildings that reflect Erbach's long history as a count's residence. It's a place where medieval architecture, noble history and traditional craftsmanship came together, giving visitors a glimpse into nearly 1,000 years of German history. And I can tell you, it's just beautiful, definitely worth a visit. This beautiful park we are approaching now is known as the Lust Garden or Pleasure Garden. It was originally created in 1722 as a garden for Counts of Erbach, providing a peaceful place for relaxation besides the castle. The garden you see today was carefully redesigned in 1989, inspired by its original Baroque layout. Its elegant path, flower beds, and the historic orangery made it one of the most pictured spots in Erbach. In 1970s, there were even plans to replace the orangery with a high-rise hotel, but thanks to the local residents, the historic garden was saved and preserved for future generations. our walk through Erbach now comes to an end, I hope you really enjoyed discovering this charming town in the Odenwald. From its historic castle and beautiful gardens to its half-timbered streets and unique ivory carving heritage, Erbach is really a place that's well worth visiting if you're ever looking for history, culture, and a relaxed atmosphere. Whether you come here for a day trip or just to stay a little longer to explore the surrounding Odenwald's countryside, there's plenty to discover at your own pace. This charming town square is a wonderful place to take a break with coffee shops, restaurants where you can enjoy a drink, a snack, or simply soak up this relaxed atmosphere before visiting the castle. Thank you so much for joining me on this walk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing many more walking tours, hidden gems, and beautiful places from Germany. Until next time, thanks for watching.